In this video, we are going to cover the real estate price trends in southern part of Hyderabad. Coming to south part of Hyderabad, we have four major highways. One is Bangalore Highway, the second one is Srisalam Highway, the third one is Sagar Highway, and the fourth one is Vijayawada Highway. We will check each highway in detail. First, let's go to the Vijayawada Highway. At Vijayawada Highway, near to the ORR, we have Pedambarpet exit. In Pedambarpet, the price is around 20 to 25,000 as it is closer to ORR and it is the exit. And coming to the other part of Vijayawada Highway, we have Ramoji Film City. Since Ramoji Film City is spread across a large area, the residential zone is limited in Vijayawada Highway near to the outer ring road. Due to this, areas like Pigilpur, Tupranpet, Malkapur, they have well developed, and Batasingaram. Here also the real estate has grown. So the price range here is around 15 to 18,000 in HMDA layouts, and we have some other areas like Deshmukh, Pigilpur. Here the price is around 15 to 18,000 again. And coming to the other areas which are closer to the Vijayawada highway is Taramati Pet. Taramati Pet also many layouts have come up and the price range here is around 15 to 17,000 as it is closer to outer ring road. Even though it is far away from Vijayawada highway, there have many projects come up here. Since this is a single village near to this Vijayawada highway, it has developed, but the price is on the lower side since the connectivity to highway is little bit far away. Okay, coming to the other part of Vijayawada highway, after Ramoji Film City, we have Ramdaspalli, which is in between the two highways. This is the Sagar Highway and Vijayawada Highway. Near to Sagar Highway, we have Ramdaspalli. Ramdaspalli also is a single village closer to the outer ring road. Since it is closer to the outer ring road, the price is expected to be higher, but since it is a single village and there is connectivity very limited, the price is on the lower side. It is around 12,000, 10 to 12,000. And we have many other areas like Narepalli, Mazidpur. Here also the real estate has grown and the price is on the lower side. It is around 15,000. Okay, let's go to the other highway, which is the Nagarjun Sagar Highway. At the ORR, we have Bangalore exit. At Bangalore exit, the price is already high. It is around 20 to 25,000. And after Bangalore exit, we have Chintapalli Guda. Here, the price is already high. It is around 20 to 25,000 because the residential zone is limited. After this, we have many government lands. So, because of the government lands, there is no development here, and we can see after traveling from outer ring road 10 to 11 kilometers, we can see Ibrahimpatnam. At Ibrahimpatnam, this is a well developed area, which well developed town with all the facilities like schools, colleges, and all the facilities for residential purpose. So we can consider this as a well developed town, and because of the well developed town, the price here in HMDA layouts is around 20 to 25,000 near to the highway. Little bit far away from the highway, it is around 15 to 18,000. Even though it is far away from the outer ring road, it is 11 kilometers from the outer ring road. And one more drawback of this area is this large Ibrahimpatnam lake. And coming to the other areas in Sagar highway, we can see Agapalli and we can see Guru Nanak Institute. Here many HMDA ventures have come up, and the price is around 20,000 near the highway. And areas like Agapalli, and also if you go far away, Yacharam is around 20 to 25 kilometers from ORR, and the price is around 10 to 15,000 here since it is closer to the highway. And many layouts have come up near mall, which is DTCP layouts. The price is on the lower side, with around 5 to 10,000 here. And the main areas to concentrate on the Sagar highway is Ibrahimpatnam and near the Guru Nanak Institute. We have many HMDA ventures around 20 to 25,000. If you go little bit inside the villages, the price is around 15 to 20,000. And the growth prospect is good here because of the good facilities available in Ibrahimpatnam town. Coming to the other highway, which is nothing but the Srisailam highway. Srisailam highway, we have Tukuguda exit. Tukuguda has mainly developed because of Adibhatla. Adibhatla has TCS office here. So because of the growth perspective here of the IT development, many HMDA layouts have come up and the price is already peaked here. It is around 25 to 30,000 near Adibhatla, and the influence to it, Tukuguda also the price is around 20 to 25,000 because of the IT development there. And areas like Kongarkalan also the price is around 15 to 20,000 because it is closer to the outer ring road. And because of Adibhatla development, many villa projects and many high-rise apartments have come up here. As you already know that near the outer ring road, it is a growth corridor and multi-purpose zone. So the many villas and apartments have come up here. So if you go in detail for the Sagar Highway, Tukuguda is one of the main prime area, and coming to the other areas are Imamguda, and you can see many HMDA ventures coming up near the highway, and the price is around 15 to 20,000 near Gudur, etc. And coming to the other areas, it is Kadtal, Yacharam have mainly developed because of the announcement of Pharma City. At Kadtal, the price is around 10 to 15,000 because of the boom considering the Pharma City. And we have other areas like Pulimamidi and all. But even though it is far away from the highway, the price is around 10 to 15,000 here. Pulimamidi, Kandukur, the price is on the similar range, Gudur. And many villa projects have come up in Lemur. Here also the price is around 15 to 18,000 in HMDA Ventures, and many villas have already been constructed here. And coming to the other part of the Srisailam highway, we have Maheshwaram, which is again a well-developed town. Here the price is around 15 to 20,000 because of the developments, and there is a command for directly coming through this, and there is a direct connectivity from the Tukuguda to Maheshwaram. So the price is on the slightly on the higher side here. It is around 15 to 18,000 considering the other areas like Tumlur, Gudur and other areas. The price is on slightly on the higher side. Coming to the other areas are like Nagaram, Peddagolkonda, Mansanpalli. Here the price is around 10 to 12,000. It is lower because the connectivity to highway is far away. It is around 5 to 7 kilometers from the Sagar highway, and Bangalore highway it is around 10 to 15 kilometers. Next, coming to the Bangalore highway, it has mainly developed because of the airport and Shamshabad. So the exit is exactly at the RGI airport, Rajiv Gandhi airport, and the main drawback of this highway is the 111 GO. Because of 111 GO, the residential zone has been limited, and high-rise buildings cannot be constructed here because of the 111 GO. That's why the development has been very slow. And after the 111 GO, many areas are there like Timmapur, Kottur. Here the real estate has developed well, and the price is around 20 to 25,000 near to the highway, and inside the highway near to Timmapur it is around 15 to 20,000. And we have Statue of Equity also here. There are many ventures coming up in the name of Statue of Equity. The price has peaked because of this, but still it is on the lower side compared to other highways. It is around 15 to 20,000. If you consider taking any plot here, we need to check whether it comes in 111 GO. And coming to the other areas after Kottur, we have Shadnagar. Shadnagar also has been well developed town with all the facilities, and here the price is around 15 to 18,000 because of the connectivity to the highway, and because of the well development in this area. Okay, coming to the conclusion on where to invest in the four highways, if you see the development has been slow on the Bangalore highway because of 111 GO, and Vijayawada highway also there is no real boom due to less residential area, but it is slightly picking up recently. So we can invest in areas like Chautupal, where the price is on the lower side. It is around 10 to 15,000 here in good HMDA layouts, and in DTCP layouts it is on the lower side. It is around 9 to 10,000 only. And coming to the other highways, the price is already picked up in Ibrahimpatnam, so we can consider other areas like Yacharam and Mal, where the price is around 5 to 10,000, and Yacharam it is around 10,000. And coming to the other highway, which is the Srisalam highway, Srisalam highway also the price has already peaked slightly, but we can consider areas like Kadtal and Vitaipalli. Here the price is on the lower side. It is around 7 to 10,000. Kadtal has also developed because of the Pharmacity announcement. So we can invest in areas like Kadtal if you are looking for a low investment. And coming to the Bangalore highway, it is good to invest in Shadnagar, but Shadnagar also the price has already peaked up. So we need to check areas closer by to Kothur and which are slightly inside Kothur, like Amirpet, Kalvakal, and such kind of areas. We can invest with lower price around 10 to 15,000 in the DTCP layouts. Thank you for watching.